What's up, Dogecoin holders? So what's going on this time, my friends? Dogecoin is completely on the profit, and absolutely, I'm really happy and really impressed now, my friends, to see this. As you can see, my friend, the green line, the green straight line. So definitely, this line is show you, my friend, to the price is fading down. But don't worry, my friend. I will explain now to in upcoming time. Can they will more fails down or they will moving upward? And what's this? What's the reason to they will fails down? So my friend, in this time you can see 2.68% is going to be profit in last 24 hours, but they will absolutely fades down. So what a reason? The reason was that, my friends, especially in this time all crypto market is incompatible and every coin were fades down. And previous days the Dogecoin will very fastly moving upward, but this time they were fades down. So don't worry, this time you can see here also they will get a 2.68% the price is increased. So of course, my friend, this time if we check out, my friend, the last 3 days now, so I hope we will better understand, my friend. So let's check out the last 3 days chart. As you can see here, in these last 3 days they were lost, as you can see here. So this time you can see, my friend, don't worry if they were moving upward. So I hope they will recover this all loss. You can see here the resistance line is come out here. So 0.20, sorry, this is the highest point, 0.256 USD dollar. This is the highest point, as you can see here, 0.256 USD dollar, but the current price is 0.251 USD dollar. So as you can see, my friend, this time they will hit now 0.252 USD dollar. Congratulations, my business to price is very fastly increasing now. And I hope, my friend, and I hope, and you already see, my friend, the last 24-hour chart. So of course, my friend, the last 24-hour chart is going to be positive, and absolutely 2%, my friend, the price is increased. You can see 2.18% the price is increased. So I think it's not a short term, absolutely it's really huge. And I hope, my friends, today will more and more moving upward. All right, so thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.